Not all air is as clean as it looks. So, how do we measure clean air? We check particles, pollutants, moisture, and airflow to understand air quality. Old, clogged filters trap dust and push bad air back into your rooms. The right HVAC filters capture pollutants and keep circulation smooth. Cleaner air protects health, reduces odors, and helps systems run efficiently. And that's where expert maintenance truly matters. Hayatt Group Facilities Management. Breathe better with professional care.